Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. Right now I'm in London with
Crypto Costa, what is up?
and right now the Bitcoin price is going so bad that I had to make a little quick update video with Costa, and he has a little warning for you guys. What are you saying right now?
I'm saying to you that get rid of USDT, and I encourage everyone to switch to BUSD or USDC. It doesn't cost you anything, but you are more safe with these currencies.
So again, he's saying get rid of USDT for anybody that could not hear. Basically, right now, Sam Bankman-Fried got fired. Oh, well, sorry, fired.
He's not a billionaire anymore, right? He's crazy. He used to be in top in the world. He used to be the richest man in the world under 30 years old. It's crazy what's happening right now in the market. 100% is the craziest time in crypto of my lifetime.
And right now, I think he actually filed for bankruptcy just now, owing still $615 million to investors. Right now, Bitcoin price is at what,
15,000 US dollars. And 3 days ago, everyone was thinking we are already in a bull market.
Let's quickly check this out. So right now on my Twitter, I've been posting a lot of updates. I know you guys can't see it perfectly, but right here, Bitcoin has fallen below 16,000. Bitcoin is extremely cheap right now. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm still excited, you know, but
I don't know why you're laughing, to be honest.
You're right. It's not a good time. Sam Bankman-Fried again has filed for bankruptcy. Binance is not going to buy FTX, which was the main piece of news. And honestly, let's see here real quick. I think, and I posted this over on my Telegram as well, hopefully you guys can see it, that Bitcoin could go significantly down lower. I don't have the price open right now for some reason. I'm not so sure. I did not prepare properly. Oh, wrong side.
Yeah, now Jay, I have a question to you actually. Where do you think is a bottom? We are 15K now.
So at first, if you asked me where's the bottom, I would have been pretty easy with explaining to you, like, okay, I think the 2017-18 top is going to be a big bottom. Same thing for altcoins. I think in the same region they would fall. Right now, though, I'm like, I don't know. Do you have any estimates?
I would say 14,000. We could see a bounce from 14,000, but who knows?
Even at 14,000, I'm personally thinking, well, depending on what happens, we could go lower. You know, I'm thinking if Binance indeed, this guy, the CEO, might have actually pulled one of the slickest tricks ever on us.
It was very tricky what he did with FTX, and it's 200 IQ play.
Yeah. And again, you saw it on my Instagram just now. BitBoy was right. I met him just now, and he explained.
We have to admit.
He explained the situation. It's honestly pretty crazy. I checked it out, right? And I asked him exactly. So how did you know that FTX was like a big sort of Ponzi scheme? Not literally, but how did you know? And he says, well, there's a lot of these different companies who came up to him and explained the situation. Even now, at Token 2049 here over in London, these companies are coming up to him and explaining that FTX screwed them in some weird shape or form, or at least Sam Bankman-Fried did. And honestly, makes me quite scared for the near future. Then again, I'm still holding on. I'm not going to sell. Even my XRP, all these different cryptos, I'm still holding through. Just letting you guys in on this quick little update because, well, things are quite scary and the price is dropping so much that I had to get a little emergency update out to you guys. But again, I'm not worried, not selling my coins. I know I'm talking fast, but that's because I want a fast update for you guys. Things are crazy. Any final words, Mr. Costa?
Yeah. Look at this. You can even take advantage of it, and 7,000%. Somebody
7,000?
Somebody just made 7,000 and said it on a group. Last word, I would say, yeah, get rid of USDT.
USDT. That's scary though, because I'm thinking as well, man. My main stash, I think, is USDC, maybe BUSD. But yeah, I guess it doesn't hurt. You know, honestly, if you're keeping your money in stables anyway, maybe look into getting an OTC deal, getting it out, potentially change it over to euros or dollars. If you're in crypto, again, I'm personally staying in crypto, but the stables, you might want to get rid of that just for additional risk, right? If the crypto space collapses even more, there might be like a little end capitulation before things get better. At the end of the day, guys, the tech is making me stay. I'm not selling much at all, mostly because I don't need the capital. I'm just gonna keep it in crypto and see what happens. I believe in this technology for the future of it all. Again, right now we're at a freaking crypto conference because we believe in it so much. But yeah, things are quite bad on the short term, but hey, that's life, you know? So just a quick update, things are crashing. Binance is the main cause, or I'd say FTX. Things will get better from here though, maybe soon. Then again, if it dumps more, I wouldn't be too surprised, but that's it for right now. See you guys later.